Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sheila and I like to post nail and makeup videos here on my channel. Today I am doing my niece's nails. She's got really nice fingers and long nail beds, a lot different than mine, so I wanted to try using nail forms for the first time. I'm using all Young Nails products today with the exception of the nail art, but the Young Nails core kit, which had these nail forms in it, I'm also using their monomer and their acrylic. The first thing that I noticed about these nail forms is that I found them to be a little small. I was able to make them work with her fingers because she's got really nice long narrow fingers, but for me I have wide thumbs and just wider nail beds in general, and I was not able to really get these to work on my fingers at all, so that's why I was using her to try nail forms out because they just didn't work well for me at all. I already prepped and dehydrated her nails. I'm now going in with the Young Nails Protein Bond, applying 2 coats of that and letting it dry. First time using the Speed Bubblegum Pink. As I said, I am newer at this, so I was not expecting it to dry so fast, and I noticed it right away. Like once I placed it down, I'm trying to form the actual nail in her length of how she wanted it, and then right away I'm going into flatten out the bottom part of it towards the cuticle, and womp womp, way too dry. I was just too slow for it, so I basically try to fix it the best that I can, and then I go back in later and fix it after I file it down and basically just start over and repair it that way. And then I go right onto the ring finger and trial and error, just learning as I go, I guess. And you know, I do figure it out. The second hand was better, a little bit easier. But I just repeat this process, and I use as many beads as it takes to get it to where I need it to and fill in all the holes, and then I will be back. My niece did send me a picture of kind of what she was looking for. It was this look right here by Wilma, pink and white almond nails. She just wanted them a tad shorter, so that was my inspiration for the look today. I'm using the Speed Bubblegum Pink by Young Nails, and that should have been my first indication that it was going to dry really fast, is because it was called Speed Bubblegum Pink. Duh. Anyways, I thought this was a perfect color choice. I really like the opaque pink color. It was perfect for the set, and just the simple elegance is so pretty. I had no issues using their products as far as the acrylics and the monomer go. I thought they worked together nicely. Once I figured out the speed of the drying and everything, it was much easier to use. Would think it's beginner friendly. They do have other acrylics that come in this kit that are slower drying, and I started off with those. Like this is the first time I used this one, so I just wasn't expecting it right away. Anyways, after I go through and I file down the nail, I have my base now. I take off all the nail forms. I'm going in and just building up the apex and applying any more acrylic where it's needed. Just shaping, filing, buffing before we do the nail art.
I already know better. 24K got nothing on me. Make you want it forever. Try to play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams on, yeah. But I already know better. I'm a go-getter and I got me, I'm good. I'm head over shoes on hardwood. For me, you know I wrote the book. I'm moving along from somebody wrong, so go ahead, tell me all the ways you miss it, how you want me back in your bed. But I'm not around for hearing you out. I gave you too much honestly, and you closed the door. Now you're calling me, but I don't need you anymore. Yeah, I already know better. 24K got nothing on me. Make you want it forever. Try to play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams on, yeah. But I already know better. I'm a go-getter and I got me on my own, and I don't waste any time chasing a ghost who don't try. I'm top of the shelf, but you help yourself to somebody else. It's too late, don't really care about all of your mistakes. You were out of your league in the first place. Not even surprised that you let me down, down, down. I gave you too much honestly, and you closed the door. Now you're calling me, but I don't need you anymore. Yeah, I already know better. 24K got nothing on me.
After I go fix the pinky nail from the beginning, I am now just taking a hand file and going through just reshaping, rounding out edges. I don't add any more product. I think I'm all good there, but now it's just the shaping and making sure it's what she was looking for. And then we're going to go on with some nail art. I take my e-file and go over the top of it, smooth it all out, get around the cuticle, but I can never stay in frame for it and it just looks like a crazy hot mess. So I just cut that part out and left some of the other filing in. But now we're going in with some clouds, a couple of little stars, and just doing something really simple just on the ring fingers. And I think it turned out super cute. If you are enjoying this video, if you could please hit the like button and comment down below. Let me know so far what you're thinking of this set, and I would just be so appreciative of it, you guys. Seriously, you have no idea. I'm using Madame Glam's Perfect White for my nail art. For the clouds, I was just using regular rubbing alcohol to kind of break up the polish to fade it out a little bit to give it that cloud look. And then I go in with my Makartt Rhinestone Gel glue. I'm going to put a couple rhinestones on there, not too many though. Using Madame Glam's No Wipe Top Coat and finishing off this look.
I made my bed and now I lay my head in it. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. You call my bluff, I won't pick up, I let it ring. Record your voice so I can listen back again. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me.
Using Young Nails Rose Cuticle Oil, this is the finished look. I think they turned out so adorable. She really liked the way that these came out. I think I did the picture justice. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much for being subscribed. If you are not, please consider subscribing. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!